Hey, Stefan.
You missed all the fun. I'm gonna use the angle grinder and everything.
Oh man, dang.
Where were you at? Making pumpkins? What kind of bullshit was that?
We were, man. Yeah, that's exactly what was happening.
The airline blew as well. You missed everything.
Jesus.
Yeah, I had to turn off the air valve and all that shit. It was so much fun.
So where are the coilovers? Oh.
Coilovers are right there and there.
Where are the wheels?
The wheels are all the way back there.
Dude, Autry guessed it too.
That's all 32s?
Yeah, we saw a 7 Series at the rooftop meet the other night. He's like, I bet that's what he's getting.
It's all 32s. You can't go wrong with them.
I was like, I don't know. Maybe. I think they'll look really good on this.
I know, they're 17 by 9 squares.
So, what year is this again?
It's a 1983 528e. It's the economy version. Currently like 307,000 miles in the car.
Babied.
Yeah, it's barely broken in.
A weekend driver.
It is the daily driver.
I love it. It's the same color as my Jeep.
Really?
Yeah. Except
Well,
it's got.
because it got repainted. It's actually normally blue.
Oh.
So like once you see the engine bay, you'll see that it's blue.
Yeah, my Jeep's a very similar color, except it has wood panels.
Nice.
So you should get like wood vinyl and do it down the side.
Yeah, it's the bigger one because E30 used to use the 2.5.
Yeah. You can't really tell that it's blue though.
Yeah. Well, the AC came out. I took that out.
It looks like it's black.
Actually, has the paint coat on the.
Yeah, I just saw that.
Freaking dope.
That's kind of cool that they did that. So, how painful is this swap from springs to coils on this?
So on this, so on the BMWs, they have the strut insert. So there's just an insert that goes in here. This is all one piece. So the spindle is connected to the actual strut housing. So pretty much for going to like either coilovers or like bags, you usually have to cut the strut housing, grind it down, and then weld it.
Oh.
That's how involved it is. So the fronts are always really involved. The rears are just a bolt-on situation.
Okay.
So you don't have to worry about that.
So you'll have to weld those? No.
I already got them welded and everything.
Okay.
So those are good to go. So once I remove these, you'll see that it's all one piece. And then to remove the actual shock, there's a big old nut right here. You pop that off, and the shock comes out.
It's focused. That'd be cool. There it is. Yeah, that seems pretty involved. Is this similar to like how E30s are?
The E30s have to be welded as well. It was a nice, fun project for most people. So that's why it's not as common to get coilovers, just because it's a lower pitch to do.
Yeah.
Springs are always an easy install, so you can't go wrong with that. But you can't get as low with them.
Yeah.
Like on mine, I have like the lowest springs that they offer, and then I got E90 top hats up here.
Yeah.
That drops it off like another half an inch, I think. So the front's as low as it goes, and it doesn't really go that far.
I mean, you could tell it's lowered, but it's not like super stupid
it's not
low.
slammed or anything. I mean, the rear tucks in good, but that's because on the rear shocks, they come with, the Bilsteins come with different circlips, like rings.
Yeah.
So it's right now on the bottom, so it's completely slammed in the back.
Gotcha. What you doing with the cart, right?
Yeah. I'll be 33 in a few days. I'll still pull around a wagon. It's that, big dick energy. You can bleep that out later, right?
Now to throw in one of those.
I'm gonna do the other side, that one's gonna be heavier.
Why?
Because the caliper and rotors are still attached.
Oh. You're still doing brakes tonight too?
Yep, we got everything set up over there. We're upgrading to BMW E34 front brakes. It's off the 528e. So the calipers are larger, the rotors are slightly larger, and the pads are larger.
Okay.
So it's like an OEM plus upgrade.
The spring rate's gonna be different. Oh god. That should probably be okay.
That should be a good start.
Yeah. What's all this bullshit? You don't need that with air rod.
Yeah, you do.
Okay.
Depending on how low you go. These are bump steer correction.
Look, can you go? You should explain to the camera what bump steer is.
Bump steer is
I
where...
read it in an article.
No, the issue
I
is
hear that it's good. It's a positive.
Why do you hate me?
My name's Stefan and I have 3 parts.
I do.
Would you just look at it? I mean, look at it. Pivot. Okay, got it. There was hair around the hole, so he got it right in. Whatever your preference is, we don't discriminate here. Trashy house production.
Trashy house.
Don't coin that. Wanna be a We done?
No, I'm pulling a Ross. I'm taking my sweet time.
Oh.
8 months later.
Oh.
I don't know what to say right now. Just because I'm large and in charge doesn't mean that I don't care about people are mean to me. In the arms of the angel, fly away. You're pretty much done.
Yeah.
That's what Stefan says to me all the time. Like I'll be like a quarter of the way through something. He's like, "Oh yeah, you're done. You're pretty much done."
What motivation? Because then you don't want to see the huge list. You're like, fuck. I
He's
have
like,
all
"Oh, he's like, oh, what do you have left to do?" And I'm like, "It's way too long to list." And I'm gonna get anxiety. I'm already getting anxiety about thinking about the list, having to list it when it's really long. Like my arm. Here at Trashy House Productions, we are YouTube certified in mechanical engineering / ram the screw in the hole.
You're supposed to screw it in. There's no ram.
You gotta use a tool. You can't use your hand. You don't have strong hands like me.
I would play. Where's the fucking tool at?
Right over here, sweetheart.
There you go.
You're doing the opposite of what you need to do.
I put one in.
You're supposed to be taking them, putting them in, not taking them out.
I thought I was your #1 employee.
No. Sarah is because she came up here and worked for free. Well, not really, because I bought her speakers and I have to put them in for her. So you're going to use hand tools opposed to air tools.
Well,
So
that
I think
one's
back
not
in 2004,
working. That one's not working. That blue.
your electric impact works, my electric impact works.
Well, first you gotta make sure it's threaded in before you start pounding it.
You put it all the way in.
You gotta make sure it's all the way in before you pound it.
No, you pound it right away.
You might bend
First
something.
push, balls deep, no lube.
Either you're gonna strip it or you're gonna bend it, and neither option is gonna be good.
Nah, it'll go through where it needs to go. All up in them threaded holes, you know what I'm saying? For the unedited version, please click the link below.
Dude.
Don't fill that.
I'm not like, well there, thin things. It's hard, okay? I haven't read all of my welding book, only got through the introduction. I mean, it doesn't leak too much. I mean, look at this. This is all rust, and I got it to stick with my wood.
That's all that.
Yeah, past state. Oh, state, take that. They don't even know.
They said it was good enough,
They got it to stick.
but the guy was blind, so. That's the old one. Yeah, it's a little bit upgrade. Yeah. The biggest difference that you're going to see is charger.
Oh yeah. Aw. How cute. Don't be weak. Tuck them.
It's already tucking on the 15s.
Tuck them even more.
No, I can't tuck more.
Would OSHA approve of this?
What?
What? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
You ready? I'm going. Oh, my finger. Go down, 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 down. Ow. Okay, go. Up. Fuck. You stabbed me.
Sorry.
Thumbnail.
Done.
Oh god. I'm done.
I'm a mechanic.
Yeah, Daddy.
Tucking?
This would be like perfect.
Dude.
Let's squat even more though.
Oh shit. Both of them had their lights on.
Yeah, that's gonna have to be raised.
Yeah. Looks sick though. Take two. It's better.
Better.
Not a lot.
Not a lot. You think it's still... Oh yeah, that's gonna fucking run. I still need to raise it up.
Number 3. Oh, it's safe.
I think it's good. We're gonna need to go lower, but I think that's good for tonight.
Front can go lower.
Dude, honestly, do you need those blocks on there?
I don't know.
You guys, it's like there's
Probably
so much
not.
room.
Yeah, it's not low, so.
Die rods?
Yeah, this is how I feel. When people come out and make fun of my shit when I've been working hard all day. Rafa, don't cry. It's okay. Don't cry. It's okay to be wrong. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I'm so worn out.
Same. It looks good though.
I'll borrow that in.
I can buy a 2017